Namaskar friends. Today's story is about a boy named Arjun from a small village. A story that teaches us a very important lesson. There was a beautiful village surrounded by hills, full of greenery, where cool winds always blew, and people were simple and honest. In that village lived a boy named Arjun. He was around 12 to 13 years old. His face looked innocent, but there was always a bit of mischief in his eyes. Arjun's father had some sheep, and that was how their family earned a living. So every morning, as soon as the sun rose, Arjun would take the sheep to the nearby hill to graze. The place was very peaceful and beautiful, but also very lonely. There were no friends, no one to talk to, only the soft sound of the wind and the baa of the sheep. In the beginning, Arjun liked it. He would sit under a tree, look at the sky, sometimes sing songs, and sometimes draw lines in the soil. But slowly, he started getting bored. The days felt very long, and time seemed to stop. One day, he was sitting on a rock, drawing lines in the dirt. He thought, I wish someone was here to talk to, or someone who could entertain me. Suddenly, a mischievous idea came into his mind. He thought, why not play a little prank on the villagers? Suddenly, Arjun shouted loudly, Help! Help! A wolf has come! His voice echoed throughout the village. The villagers got worried. Leaving all their work behind, they grabbed sticks and ran toward the hill. But when they reached there, they were shocked. There was no wolf. No danger at all. Arjun was sitting on the ground, laughing loudly. I was just joking, he said. The villagers became very angry. They said, Arjun, is this a joke? We left all our work and came here. But Arjun didn't care. For him, it was like a game. The next day, Arjun got bored again. He thought, yesterday was fun. Let's try it again. And once again he shouted, Help! A wolf has come! The villagers ran to him again. But once again, there was nothing there. Arjun started laughing again. This time, the villagers were very angry. They said, Arjun, if you lie again, no one will come to help you. Arjun nodded his head, but he didn't take their warning seriously. A few days later, everything was normal. Arjun was grazing his sheep. The wind was blowing gently, and everything was calm. Suddenly, something moved in the bushes. Arjun looked carefully, and his heart started beating fast. This time, there was a real wolf, big and frightening, slowly moving toward the sheep. Arjun got very scared. He shouted loudly, Help! This time it's real! A wolf has come! Please, someone come! He kept shouting again and again. The villagers heard his voice. But this time, no one came. People thought he must be joking again. Everyone ignored him. Arjun was alone. The wolf slowly attacked the sheep. The sheep started running in fear. Arjun was crying and shouting, Please, someone come! But no one came. In the end, the wolf did what it wanted and went away. Evening came. Arjun slowly returned to the village. His face was sad, and his eyes were full of tears. The villagers saw him and understood that this time he was telling the truth. Arjun cried and said, I was telling the truth, but no one came. Then an old man came to him and said gently, Son, the mistake is not ours. it is yours. When you lie again and again, people stop trusting you. Arjun became silent. He lowered his head. That night, he didn't even eat food. He sat in his room thinking again and again, I wish I had not lied. From that day on, Arjun changed. He never lied again and always chose to speak the truth. This story teaches us that when someone lies again and again, people do not believe them, even when they tell the truth. Once trust is broken, it is very difficult to earn it back.